Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson mensuration. Now coming to the topic, the volume of a cuboid and a cube. We have learnt about the surface areas, that is a lateral surface area and the total surface area of the cuboid and the cube. Now the volume. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, that is L into B into H, and the volume of a cube is side into side into side, or edge into edge into edge, that is if you take edge to be L, it will be L cube. So revise the formula, then it will be easy. So volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height, and the volume of the cube is the edge into edge into edge, otherwise it is L cube. Now coming to the example 12, a godown is in the form of a cuboid of dimensions 60 meter, 40 meter, 30 meter. Means what? Length, breadth and height. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it if the volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube? How many cuboidal boxes? Sorry, cuboidal nahi hai, it is cubical boxes, because it is a cube, not a cuboid. Okay, how many cubical boxes can be stored in it if the volume of one box is a 0.8 meter cube? So cube, it is the volume of the cube is 0.8 meter cube. The godown is in the form of a cuboid. Its dimensions, that is length, breadth, height is given. So find out the volume of the cuboidal godown and how many cubical boxes can be stored in it. So what we have to do? Volume of the cuboid divided by the volume of the cube. Number of boxes stored is equal to volume of cuboid upon the volume of cube. तो इधर क्वेश्चन में बोले हैं there is a godown which is in the form of a cuboid and length, breadth, height दिया है, और वो क्यूबॉइडल गोडाउन में कितने क्यूबिकल बॉक्सेस रख सकते हैं, और क्यूबिकल बॉक्सेस का डायमेंशन नहीं दिया है, डायरेक्टली आपको वॉल्यूम दिया गया है, तो कितने बॉक्सेस रख सकते हैं? तो इसके लिए नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस दैट कैन बी स्टोर्ड इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड अपॉन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब. ऐसे फाइंड आउट करने का है. नाउ सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट, द गोडाउन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड, सो राइट द डायमेंशंस. लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 60 मीटर, breadth is equal to 40 meter and height is equal to 30 meter. And cube, cubical box है ना, तो डायरेक्टली दिया है वॉल्यूम is equal to 0.8 meter cube. Now we will write how many boxes. So number of boxes that can be stored is equal to volume of cuboid divided by the volume of a cube. अभी फॉर्मूला डालो. The volume of the cuboid is a length into breadth into height and volume already दिया है, इसके लिए डायरेक्टली वॉल्यूम ही लिखो. Otherwise if the edge or the side is given, so volume of the cube फॉर्मूला क्या है? L cube डालने का. अभी वैल्यूज डालो. कितना है? it is a 60 into 40 into 30 upon 0.8. To remove the decimal, multiply by 10. So you will get 60 into 40 into 30 into 10, and denominator it will be only 8. So 8 ones are 8 fives are 40. Now multiply 6 fives are 30. 30 into 3 90. Now how many extra zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 90,000. Is it okay? So now answer, how many boxes can be stored? 90,000 boxes can be stored. That is the answer. Okay? Hope you understood the method. So how many boxes can be stored? That is the volume of the go down divided by volume of the box. Now coming to example 13, find the side of the die. Dice, लूडो का डाइस है ना, तो वही. So die whose volume is 64 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. इधर वॉल्यूम दिया है आप लोगों को, the volume of the side is asked. So first you write solution. What is the shape? Cube. Now what is given? Volume. So volume is given as 64 centimeter cube. Now side is asked. Side is equal to how much? So write the formula. Volume of a cube is equal to side cube. Put the value. 64 is the volume, side cube. So side is equal to cube root of 64. Isn't it? Side cube is 64. So side is equal to cube root of 64. So side is equal to cube root of 64. किसका है cube root? The cube root of 64 is 4. 4 cube. 4 fours are 16. 64s are 64. So answer, side of the die is 4 centimeter. Hope you understood these two. That is the example 12 and 13. Now coming to the worksheet 5. So worksheet 5, first question, the two cubes each of side 6 centimeter are joined together. Name the new solid formed and also find its volume. दो क्यूब्स है, उसको साइड बाय साइड अटैच करोगे तो क्या बनेगा? It becomes a cuboid, isn't it? This is one cube, this is one cube. When you join, it becomes a cuboid. Now, the cuboid का लेंथ कितना, ब्रेथ कितना, हाइट कितना? क्यूब का साइड 6 सेंटीमीटर था, लेकिन अभी इसका लेंथ कितना बनेगा टोटल? 6 plus 6, it becomes how much? It is 12 centimeter. But the breadth will be 6 centimeter, height will be 6 centimeter itself. So first you write solution, two cubes each of side 6 centimeter. So पहले लिखो क्यूब दिया है, side is equal to 6 centimeter. Whatever is given, you write. Now they have asked when two cubes are joined together. So you write when two cubes are joined together name the solid form. So the new solid formed is a cuboid. Now write cuboid का dimensions. Length is equal to 6 plus 6, that is 12 centimeter. Breadth will be 6 centimeter only. Height will be 6 centimeter. Now find the volume. So we will write volume of the cuboid. What is the formula? Easy, isn't it? Length into breadth into height. That is 12 into 6 into 6. That is 12 into 6, 6 are 36. 12 6 are 72. 12 3 are 36. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So it is 432. Now volume centimeter cube. So answer, volume of the new solid, that is cuboid, is 432 centimeter cube. Is it clear? That was question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. Find the height of the cuboid whose volume is given 275 centimeter cube and the base area is given 25 centimeter square. They didn't give length and breadth. They have asked the height. Volume is given. Length and breadth are not given, but base area is given. Now first, the shape of the solid is cuboid. First, what is given? Volume is equal to 275 centimeter cube. Now they have given base area. Base area, cuboid में base कौन सा shape में है? That is a rectangle. So area of a rectangle. Base area means area of the rectangle. What is the formula? Length into breadth. That is given as 25 centimeter square. समझ में आया? लेंथ ब्रेथ अलग अलग नहीं दिए, वो बोले हैं कि बेस एरिया इज 25 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, बट बेस इज द रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल का एरिया लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ, सो डायरेक्टली लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इज गिवन. नाउ फाइंड आउट द हाइट. Height is equal to how much? Volume of a cuboid. What is the formula? L into B into H. Put the values. Volume is 275. Now length into breadth is given. How much? 25 into H. So H is equal to 275 upon 25. 25 ones are 25 ones are 25. 2 remains, 25 ones are 25. So H is equal to 11 centimeter. Answer, height of the given cuboid is 11 centimeter. Hope you understood the two examples and the worksheet 5 first and second questions. Bye. Thank you. All the best.